Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is a kitchen cabinet project. We did it in BlueRose Estate, near Budumburam, Kasoa. The client need a very big kitchen with trendy designs. So, when you are coming from living room you will see this beautiful glass door. This glass door looks beautiful, give the first impression of your kitchen. We've got plenty of shelves to show off your cool kitchen stuff. And guess what? We've added a nice warm neon light inside the glass cabinet. It really makes everything in there look even better. Alright, check this out. At the back, we've set up a cabinet for an inbuilt oven and microwave. Now, our client hasn't gotten those gadgets just yet. But, here's the cool part, we've thrown in some lights, both under and above the cabinet. You know why? It makes working in the kitchen a breeze. You'll see your way around and have your countertop all lit up. Plus, it's going to give your kitchen that sleek, modern look. Let's take a look at this modern cooker hood, also known as a heat extractor. It's got a handy sensor, so you can turn it on without having to touch it with your greasy hands while you're busy cooking. This thing helps keep your kitchen smoke-free and cool when you're cooking on the gas stove. We make a hole in the wall, attach a special pipe, and there you go, a much better kitchen. We're keeping the old sink, still in great condition. Adding a wide opening L-shaped corner cabinet, no obstructions. Here also we continued the light under the down cabinet. You see there the difference in tiling because that's where the old concrete kitchen slab was there. Unfortunately estate manager couldn't get the same tile, so we used the black as border work. Let me off this cooker hood, so I have to swing my hand anti-clockwise to turn off. Let's go to other side where we fixed the double door fridge. Here you had a very big tall storage cabinet to keep your plates, food stuff, tissues, rugs, everything can go with this 13 feet wide cabinet. On top of this section, there is a motion sensor to detect. This will help you to on the light when you enter the kitchen and turn off if no one is in the kitchen. It save electricity and make functional. Here we add another glass door to break the solid look, and there is a push-open drawers to keep your luxury dinner plates and glasses. We use the high gloss board with gray color as per the client request. Now look at this spacious kitchen. With all features and functions, how do you see yourself? Let me know in the comments section. Contact us for your building projects and commercial projects.